BJP government kickstarts its first anniversary celebrations today with a week-long celebration that will resemble a campaign. Now, with the government's first anniversary to witness around 500 media conferences across the country, a day-long workshop was held for the party's 150-odd spokespersons yesterday. Arun Jaitley kicks off, in fact, that series of press conferences by the government today. An extensive media blitz is planned across the country to highlight achievements on both economic and social front since May of last year. As per the BJP blueprint, all the ministers will hold as many as 21 press conferences in different cities of the country. The Prime Minister will be holding a mega rally in Mathura on 25th of this month. An extensive media blitz, of course, this is keeping in mind to highlight the achievements of the government. Each parliamentarian has been asked to issue a booklet on his achievements and also distribute it in his constituency. Let's cut across live to Deputy Editor, in fact, Brajesh Pandey, who joins us with more. Brajesh, we know about this pamphlet which is going to be called the Saal Ek Shuruaat Anek. Take us through what else is planned and which are the top guns, in fact, other than Arun Jaitley, that will be addressing media in the next 24 hours.
Well, today Arun Jaitley will be addressing a press conference in which he will be highlighting the major achievements of the finance ministry and the kind of pro-poor scheme which Narendra Modi government has launched. This effort is being seen as very important because generally a normal perception which the Congress is saying is that this government is pro-corporate, and this today's press conference will be a counter and will be a showcase to highlight all the pro-poor scheme which the government has launched. Tomorrow, Home Minister Rajnath Singh is expected to do a press conference in Delhi in which he'll be highlighting the kind of steps government has, the Home Ministry and government has taken to ensure the better security and everything of common people in India. Apart from that, there are several other press conferences by Nitin Gadkari and various other top ministries are expected to be in the next 5 to 7 days in various parts of country.
Right.
And this blitzkrieg is considered as an effort of the Modi government to showcase to the whole country that how serious the government is in making sure that the government is a pro-poor government, the government cares for the people of India, and this government has actually delivered a lot of stuff in 1 year which no other government has done till now.
Brajesh, what about the Prime Minister? Is he holding a press conference himself? We do know that he has a rally which is proposed in Mathura, and what about his constituency of Varanasi?
There are talks there are talks in the town which says that there could be a possibility of a presser by Prime Minister, but no certainty. Nobody knows for sure as of now. The rally which is going to held in Mathura is of twin significance. That'll be the birth centenary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay in Mathura, and apart from that, the Prime Minister is also expected to tell the nation about the kind of work the government has done in the last 1 year in that rally, and it's considered to be an extremely significant one. Thank
you so much, Brajesh Pandey, for taking us through, of course, what the BJP now plans to celebrate its first anniversary in power. It will be interesting to see Mr. Narendra Modi, who has engaged, in fact, with public through these months, through Mann Ki Baat, through Twitter, but essentially unilateral conversations. Will he take in questions in a press conference or not?